Hi everyone, get ready with me. Papasok ko sa work, so it's Monday today. So kung narinig mo itong maingay man guys sa kapaligiran, pagpasensya nyo na dahil may electric pan ako sa tabi, ang init dito sa Pilipinas. Of course, first thing first, I will going to show you this one. This is eye cream. This is from Quick Fix or Quick FX na nabibili nyo lang sa Watson. So eye cream is a must. And of course, don't forget your lip balm para sa lipstick later. This one, this is from Papa Peel 3 times retinol anti-aging cream. Wala kayong serum, okay lang yun, magdiretso na kayo sa moisturizer at sa sunblock. But ako, gagamit muna ako ng serum. Tayo nyo lang siya ma-absorb na skin, then ready tayo sa next product. I will using this one. This is from S or ZB, yung Blueberry Eye Drops. Pang-refresh ng ating eyes. And also moisturizer. This is from Nivea Soft, refreshingly soft moisturizing cream. Little goes a long way. Yung kailangan na madami. So wait ko lang siya to settle this moisturizer na absorb ng skin ko. Then proceed tayo sa next product. Sunblock is a must. Hindi mo pwedeng kalimutan to, especially kapag lalabas ka. Ginagamit minsan ng mga Korean yung nagtutone up yung balat, yung lalong pumuputi yung face. So as you can, nakikita niyo ba yung difference? Isang konti lang nilagay ko pero parang nag-lighting to kaysa here. Nakita niyo ba? Ganon. This is from YOU na mabibili niyo din sa market. Siyempre, don't forget your neck. Then wait ko lang tong i-settle or absorb na skin ko, then I will be right back. Kailangan talaga ma-absorb mo na siya ng skin bago tayo mag-proceed sa makeup. Kasi yung iba kasi kaya nagkikiki yung foundation or baby cream. Kasi yung skincare, especially yung mga liquid products, kailangan mo na siyang i-set bago ka mag-proceed sa makeup kasi nagkikiki talaga siya based on my observation. From Dazzle Me, itong kanilang primer na may halong skincare, sabi nila. Yung Dazzle Me Super Fine. Yung 3 times skincare daw, sabi. Pero actually, it's better siya kasi automatic siya minamat niya talaga yung skin niya. So this is one of my favorite primer as of the moment. Especially ngayon kasi summer. So dapat stay matte tayo. So nanonotice niyo ba yung difference? So here's namamat niya na, samantalang dito hindi pa. Ito yung wala, ito yung meron. Dito. Dito niya sa Pilipinas. Bongga. So ito yung meron, ito yung wala. Color corrector, this is a must for me dahil alam mo na, a dark circle. This one is from LA Girl Pro Conceal under eye na dapat i-correct ko. Here. Lang kasi mag-ano mo na siya, mag-set before natin i-blend. Kasi pag nalaw mo siya agad ng foundation, baby cream, useless lang siya. So, wait for a minute, couple of minutes or seconds, then i-blend ko siya later. Concealer, so this is from Fucalore Concealer Palette. Meron siyang kasamang ang color corrector, of course, concealer. Using my eyeshadow brush. So, ginagamit ko to as pick up the concealer, then i-blend ko siya. Foundation, this one is from BYS na mayroong hyaluronic acid, yung kanilang full coverage. It's up to you kung gusto yung mag-baby cream or mag-foundation, but for me, foundation, kanya-kanya yung trip. 2 pump is enough. Contour. This one is from Caroline in the shade Rosy Cheeks. Yung may highlighter siya. So dito natin siya lalagay with summer here. Para kunyari tayo tisay. Kahit hindi naman. Char! Summer! So drunk blush yung tayo. Para tayo na arawan. Gamitin kong aking ginamit kong blush yung kanina sa lips. Dahil pwede rin sa lips. Sabi. And also from Caroline in the shade Auburn Delight. Dito sa upper lips para siyang ombre effect. Then using my lip brush, i-blend ko lang siya. Okay na ako dyan. And also using this one, nabili ko lang dito sa TikTok. Itong bronzer, nalalagay ko sa aking forehead para talagang feel natin na arawan tayo ng very light. Tsaka meron na rin siyang slimming effect. Siyempre dagdagan natin ating blush. And also gagamitin ko lang din to as a eyeshadow. Brown liner, get ready with me para nag-tutorial na siya. Mascara, padalan to sa akin pero gumagana pa rin. This is from Avon Cosmetic. Cosmetic talaga, hindi ba cosmetic? Highlighter from e.l.f. Paubos ng Dazzle Mini Setting Spray, yung Get the Grip nila, yung paka-affordable lang, that you can use everyday sa inyong mga makeup look. Shake. Ba. Naantayin ko lang siya matuyo, mag-set, then I will be right back. So here's my final look. So I hope you enjoy, so don't forget to follow or subscribe this channel or page. So thank you so much for watching. So see you to the next one. Medyo malilate na ako. It's 12:30 p.m. So bye for now. Thank you so much. Bye. See you to the next one.